So we've got a word problem here, but it's centered around the same thing. This is an old Algebra 1 problem that they have that we've got you trying to make sure we see some things. So it says, what is independent and dependent variables? All right, let's review that the independent is the x, the dependent is the y. All right, and when they do this, it actually says down here, but independent is what is changing the problem. So if you read this, it says the internet music service offers a plan where users pay a flat monthly fee of $5, then it can download songs for 10 cents each. So they're downloading songs, and the more songs, the more money. Okay, more songs, more money. So that means that that's my independent. More songs, more money means my independent is the songs, my dependent is the money. All right, the amount of money I owe depends on the number of songs that I download. So it says fill in the table below for a variety of independent values. So just pick out some values. So I'm going to say if I download 1 song, 3 songs, 6 songs, 10 songs. All right, so I pay $5 and then 10 cents for each song. So for this one, I pay $5.10. This one I pay $5.30. I'm doing this in my head. You should use a calculator. Let me actually write this down. I pay $5 plus 1 times 10 cents. For that one, I pay $5 plus 3 times 10 cents. And that's how they all work. $5 plus 6 times 10 cents. And $5 plus 10 times 10 cents. So this is going to be $5.60. And this is going to be $6. But the number of downloads represented by X, amount charged represented as Y. Write an equation that models this. So it's amount of money equals $5 plus 10 cents times X. You don't have to put the parentheses there if you don't want to. Based on the equation you found in part C, produce a graph of this function for all values of X in the interval of 0 to 40. Use a calculator table feature to generate additional coordinate pairs, blah, 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 blah. All right, so I'm going to bring my calculator up here. While that's coming up, I'm going to draw my graph. It wants 0 to 40 for X, so I don't need a negative part of my X. So I'm going to go like this on my graph. You don't have to, but it's going to make it easier. It wants my X's to go from 0 to 40. So I'm going to go by 5s. I'm going to go 5, 1, 2, 3 lines. It's going to be 5, 1, 2, 3, 10, 1, 2, 3, 15, 1, 2, 3, 20, 1, 2, 3, 25, 1, 2, 3, 30, 1, 2, 3, 40. I'm going to label that much. Okay, so then it says use your table. So I'm going to bring my graph up here. I'm going to graph this. And it was 5 plus 0.1 X, and then hit second graph to get my table. All right, now I'm not sure the best way to do this. I'm going by 5s. So I'm just going to scroll down. So 5 is 2.5. So I'm going to make a little table here. X, Y. It's probably a better way to do this if I'm better with the calculator, but I'm going to do it this way. So 5, oh, hang on a second. That's not done correct. It's not 5 times, it's 5 plus 0.1x. Sorry. 5 plus 0.1x. I typed my thing in wrong. All right, so 5 is going to cost me 5.5. I knew that I had the wrong answer there. 10, 15, 20. I'm just going to get those right there, and then I'm going to be able to infer the rest. So 10 is 6. I'm guessing 15 is 6.5. 15 is 6.5. 20 is 7, and they're going to keep going up by 0.5. So 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. I gotta get my right dot here. 5 is 5.5. 10 is 6. 15 is 6.5. 20 is 7. 7.5. 8. 8.5. 9. So it's going to go like this. And go up. And since we're only supposed to go to 40, we stop right there. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And I'm going to label this y equals 5 plus 0.1x. And there is my graph. I should have, Y and an X on there. Please try to keep your Y's and X's on all of these graphs.